You know the days of the week. Let's sing them together. 7 days are in a week, each one special, all unique. When one ends, the next will come. Let's learn them all, let's sing each one. Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday, Sunday. Every day has something new, lots of fun and things to do. Learn them all, come sing along. 7 days make up our song. One more time. Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Hey, Mommy Bunny. Nice to see you. But wait. Where are your kids? Let's find them together. Mommy Bunny has 10 kids. Where are they? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. Hop, hop, hop. 4, 5, 6. They never stop. 7, 8, 9. Look around the house. 10 little bunnies back in the house. Let's count again, just to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We found them all. Thank you, Buddy.
Hi, Buddy. It's me, Lulla. Let's sing the ABCs together. Nice and slow, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? You did so well, Buddy. Now, let's sing it again, together this time. You and me. A, B, C, D, E, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you sang your ABCs. I'm so proud of you and me. That was so good, Buddy. Now, let's use the ABCs in little words. This part is really fun. A is for apple, B is for bear, C is for cat, D is for drum tight, E is for ear-eyed, F is for friend, and O, G is for giggle, that's loop, H is for happy. Lulla Buddies, sing with me. ABC is fun, you'll see. Say the letters, clap along. Lulla loves this alphabet song. I is for insect, F, J is for jump, K is for kangaroo, L is for Lulla, M is for moonlight, M is for night, O is for octopus, P is for puzzle. Q is for queenie, R is for rainbow, S is for star kelp, T is for tree vine, U is umbrella wine, V is for violin, W is for whale on, X is for sonical, Y is for yellow wave, T is for zoo. You did it, Buddy. I'm so proud of you. Let's sing it again soon.